Meet the bird that can end your life with a single kick. This is the cassowary, officially the most dangerous bird on Earth. Don't let its feathers fool you. This creature is a living dinosaur. It stands 6 feet tall and carries a razor-sharp 5-inch dagger on each foot. If it feels threatened, it won't fly away, because it can't. Instead, it will charge at you at 30 miles per hour and jump in the air to slice you open. There are stories of this monster surviving gunshot wounds and still attacking. If you ever see one in the wild, never make